Hi, and welcome to Cyrilla's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making chocolate mug cakes. So this is super simple, and it's 2 minutes. So let's get started. Let's go. So first we are going to be taking 4 tablespoons of maida or our all-purpose flour. Next, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Next, we will take 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Next, we will take 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And next, we will take a pinch of baking soda. And for the wet ingredients, we have to mix it and make sure the cocoa powder and all the dry ingredients we put in get mixed really well. Okay, so we're done. Now let's go with the wet ingredients. So for the wet ingredients, first we take 1 tablespoon of milk. Next, we will take 3 tablespoons of curd. Next, we are going to take 1 tablespoon of butter, melted butter. Now we are going to mix the flour and the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients together and make a batter. Now we are going to take 1 drop of vanilla extract, and we are going to mix it together once again. Make sure everything has come into a batter kind. Next, we will be taking 1 drop of lemon juice, and we're going to stir it together once again. If you want, you could add chocolate chips. I'm adding 1/2 tablespoon of some candy melt. Now let's put it in the microwave for about 1 minute. For decoration appearance and to make it clearly visible to you, I transferred the batter into a white cup and I'm going to be tapping it so it settles. And let's put it in the microwave. So I have my batter ready here and I'm going to put it in the microwave for 2 or 1 minute. I think it's ready. So be careful, it might be hot. So when the kids are doing this, there has to be adult supervision required. So let's take it out and give it a little toothpick test. Wow, it turned out really good. I just feel like testing it and tasting it. It's like looks really yummy and everything. So before we taste it, if you don't know what a toothpick test is, you take a toothpick and put it right in the middle of your cake or cupcake or whatever, and make sure there's no batter sticking to the toothpick. And that's what exactly happened to this mug cake. So since it's all good, I am going to add some sprinkles. I added these kind of sprinkles. You could use any kind of you want, and just gonna add them. And that's it. Your own DIY microwave mug cake is ready. So let's just give it a little taste. So this is the inside of it, and it's really squishy. It's a little squishy. So this is kind of the inside. Let me taste it. It's really good. I just want to finish it right now. It's that yummy. I recommend you trying this recipe. It's really yummy. It's 2 minutes. It takes about like 2 minutes, and it has no egg at all, no oven. You don't need to bake it. Like, it's just a microwave mug cake within 2 minutes. So thanks for watching, and subscribe to Sileela's Kitchen, and make sure you hit that bell, and so you get our latest videos. Thank you. Bye.